When it comes to international money transfers, Azimo Online stands out as one of the most user-friendly platforms. If you want to know how to use it effectively, here's a step-by-step guide for Azimo Online. Step 1. Create your account. Visit www.azimo.com and sign up with your email or mobile number. You'll be asked for basic details like your full name and address. Make sure the information matches your ID, as Azimo complies with international security regulations. Step 2. Verify your identity. Upload a government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Verification is usually quick, often within minutes. This process ensures your transfers remain secure and compliant. Step 3. Choose your recipient. Add recipient details including full name, bank account information, or mobile wallet number depending on the country. Azimo supports transfers to over 200 countries, so you'll find flexible options. Step 4. Select delivery method. Azimo offers direct-to-bank transfers, cash pickup, and mobile wallet credits. The delivery method can impact both transfer time and fees. Step 5. Make payment. You can fund your transfer using debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Debit card payments are usually instant, while bank transfers may take a bit longer. Now, here are some detailed insights that make Azimo Online stand out. Unlike most money transfer apps, Azimo provides instant notifications even if the recipient is offline. This helps the sender track delivery confidence without requiring the receiver's internet connection. The platform offers multi-currency holding accounts, allowing you to store money in GBP, EUR, or USD before sending. This is useful for better exchange rate timing. Azimo integrates with local post offices in selected countries, enabling cash pickups in rural areas where banks may not exist. Their fee structure is dynamic by corridor, meaning the cost changes depending on both the sending and receiving countries, offering more transparency. Azimo maintains a transfer tracker widget inside its app, giving you real-time updates that function like a courier package tracker.